If your CapCut auto captions are broken, missing parts, or just not syncing correctly, don't worry. This is usually an easy fix. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the CapCut auto captions problem step by step, so you can regenerate clean subtitles without wasting time. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick CapCut tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is go to the captions that are causing the issue and delete the faulty or missing sections. This is important because if the captions already have broken lines, missing words, or weird gaps, CapCut may keep those errors when you try to edit them. So clean up the bad parts first before regenerating anything. Once the problem captions are removed, look at your timeline and select all of your audio and voiceover clips. Make sure you include every piece of audio you want CapCut to read for the subtitles. If your audio is split across multiple clips, select them all together so the program can treat them as one continuous section. After that, right-click on the selected audio clips and choose Create Compound Clip. This step is really useful because it merges your audio into a single seamless track, which helps CapCut process the captions more accurately. If your voiceover is scattered across different clips, this compound clip method can prevent missing words, timing issues, and subtitle gaps. Now that your audio is grouped into one track, go up to the text menu and select Auto Captions. From there, regenerate the subtitles for your video. CapCut will scan the compound clip and create a fresh set of captions based on the audio it detects. In many cases, this is the fix that solves the auto captions problem completely, especially if the original captions were generated from multiple fragmented clips. Once the new captions appear, take a moment to review them carefully. Check for spelling mistakes, missed words, or timing issues, and make any small edits you need so everything looks clean and professional. This final review is important because even after regenerating captions, a few words may still need manual correction. And that's it. By deleting the broken caption sections, combining your audio into a compound clip, and regenerating auto captions, you can usually fix the CapCut auto captions problem fast. If this tutorial helped, please remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more CapCut editing tips coming soon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.